In a land covered in endless white, where the snowflakes danced with the wind, lived a little penguin with a big dream.
Woohoo! Feel the beat, feel the rhythm.
Unlike the other penguins who waddled in straight lines, this penguin had a rhythm of his own. He loved to dance.
I don't waddle, I groove.
But one day, he noticed something strange. The other penguins walked in perfect lines, their steps stiff and serious.
Wait, why is everyone marching like that?
He wondered, why weren't they dancing like him? Didn't they hear the music in their hearts?
Maybe they don't know how to have fun.
For a moment, he thought, maybe he should march like them. Maybe dancing made him different. Too different.
Should I stop dancing?
So he tried. Step by step, he moved just like the others. But something didn't feel right.
Ah, this feels so stiff.
And then he had a thought.
Wait a second, I like dancing. It makes me happy.
So, with a big smile and a twinkle in his eye, he danced again.
Yeah, that's more like it.
And Penguin? He never stopped dancing again.
This is who I am, and I love it.
So remember, following the crowd isn't always the answer. Sometimes the best path is the one you create yourself.
Now, come on, let's dance. Goodbye, friends. See you again.